How to apply a preset to multiple photos in Adobe Lightroom. Hello, welcome to this channel. In today's tutorial, you'll learn how you can apply a preset to multiple photos in Lightroom on your mobile phone. First of all, you must note that applying a preset to multiple photos in Lightroom Mobile isn't as direct as on desktop, but there's always a way to go about it, right? So to do this on your mobile phone, the first step would be for you to apply the presets to one photo. So go ahead to select the photo that you would like to apply the preset to. For me, this is the photo that I would like to use. And next step, in order to apply preset, is to move to the bottom part of the screen where you can see some icons. Click on the preset icon, then select the preset. So once the preset has been applied to the photo, next step is to move to the top right corner of the screen, click the three dot icon, and okay, before that, click on the tick icon um to note that the preset has been added successfully to the photo. Then after that, move to the top right corner, click the three dot icon. In the drop-down menu displayed, you would see options like Save, Copy to Device, View Options, Create Preset, Copy Settings. So select Copy Settings. You would see the settings. Which one do you want to adjust? Which one do you want to remove? If you're satisfied, move to the top right corner and check it. So once that is done and you've copied the settings, move to the go back to your library view where all of your pictures that you've edited is found, as you can see here, and then long press on the photo you want to apply the preset to. Okay, so just long press on the photo, and then after long pressing on the photo, ensure you long press on all of the photos that you'd like to add or apply this preset to. All right, and then once you are done selecting all of the photos, at the bottom part of the screen you will see some options which include add to, paste, edit, info, share, delete. Then select paste, edit, and then just like that the presets would be applied to all of the pictures that you've selected, as long as you've subscribed to the premium version of Lightroom. This is because this feature is not for free. You have to be making it of the premium version. So once you subscribe to the premium version, carry out this procedure, click paste, edit, and the preset would be applied to all of the pictures that you've selected. And that is how to go about it. I hope the tutorial was simple and straightforward. If it has, ensure you subscribe and leave a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.